Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality. 2 is less than 5r plus 1, which is less than or equal to 8. Stay tuned as we walk through the step-by-step process to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To start solving the inequality -2 is less than 5r plus 1, less than or equal to 8, the first step involves isolating the variable term. We have two inequalities combined into one statement, which means we need to handle both parts simultaneously. The inequality can be split into two separate expressions. Expression A, -2 is less than 5r plus 1. Expression B, 5r plus 1 is less than or equal to 8. Our goal for each expression is to isolate the variable r on its own. Let's deal with expression A first. We have -2 is less than 5r plus 1. To isolate 5r, we need to eliminate the plus 1. We do that by subtracting 1 from both sides of the inequality. This step alters the inequality as follows. -2 minus 1 is less than 5r plus 1 minus 1. When we subtract 1 from -2, we get -3. On the right side, plus 1 minus 1 cancels out to 0, leaving -3 is less than 5r. Now our first expression, expression A, looks like -3 is less than 5r. Next, let's handle expression B. We have 5r plus 1 is less than or equal to 8. Similarly, to isolate 5r, we subtract 1 from both sides of the inequality. This changes the inequality to 5r plus 1 minus 1 is less than or equal to 8 minus 1. On the left side, plus 1 minus 1 cancels out to 0, so we are left with just 5r. On the right side, 8 minus 1 equals 7. Therefore, expression B becomes 5r is less than or equal to 7. At this point, we have two simplified inequalities. Expression A, -3 is less than 5r. Expression B, 5r is less than or equal to 7. In interval notation, our expressions so far indicate the range of possible values for 5r. Before we move further, let's combine our results to understand the overall solution. Still, our next step will be to solve for r by isolating it further in these inequalities. But for now, we have -3 is less than 5r, less than or equal to 7. Next, we need to isolate the variable r in both simplified inequalities. We currently have -3 is less than 5r and 5r is less than or equal to 7. To isolate r, we need to get rid of the coefficient 5 that is multiplied by r. We do this by dividing both sides of each inequality by 5. Starting with the first inequality, -3 is less than 5r. Divide both sides by 5. -3 divided by 5 is less than 5r divided by 5. This simplifies to -3/5 is less than r. Now let's handle the second inequality. 5r is less than or equal to 7. Similarly, divide both sides by 5. 5r divided by 5 is less than or equal to 7 divided by 5. This simplifies to r is less than or equal to 7/5. So now we have the variable r isolated in both conditions. -3/5 is less than r, and r is less than or equal to 7/5. Combining these two inequalities gives us -3/5 is less than r is less than or equal to 7/5. In interval notation, this solution is written as open interval -3/5, comma, 7/5 closed interval. This is the final step. The problem is now fully solved. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.